You released your game, and there it is, the critical bug. Something very important doesn't work, or even worse, the game crashes. You get a new version very quickly, but hell, how do you upload it to Steam? Let me show you that in this tutorial. First, we need to search for the Steam SDK. We go to the Steamworks SDK page. Then we click this link which will take us to the download page. We of course download the newest version. We extract all of the files, and then somewhere among them we look for the tools folder. Inside of it there will be another zip, SteamPipe GUI. We unzip it. Then we start the application. First we enter our Steam credentials. The application to work as expected, it requires us to provide a path to Content Builder folder. This folder is of course part of the zip archive we downloaded from the Steamworks. It's located inside the Tools folder. Now we need to find our app ID. This is the unique ID of your game. The simplest way to find it is to go to the Steamworks dashboard and then click on your game. If you don't see the thumbnail of your game here, you can get to it by clicking the View All Apps button. You can now copy the ID either from the browser URL or from the header on the page. Build description is information for you that will be visible in the Steamworks. Then you click the Add Depot button. The line will be auto-populated with the default depot ID. Usually it is one number higher than the ID of your game. If you created another depot and you want the build to be part of it, then of course you need to adjust the ID. Then you need to select the build path. That's the path to the folder containing all of your game files. After selecting the path, make sure to click the Generate VDFs button. Go back to the application and click the Upload button. You may be prompted the Steam Guard code. It should arrive to your email address. Now a little bit of waiting. If you find this tutorial useful, it would be great if you could subscribe to my channel and like this video. This helps it spread to more people like you and hopefully help them solve their issues. Now back to the tutorial. Then we need to go to Steamworks. We click on the View All Apps button and then on the Steamworks admin link. From the SteamPipe we select the builds. By the way, if you want to check the ID of your depot, you can find the link to the relevant page just under the builds link. Now we scroll down a little bit and in the list we can see our new build. Let's now publish it. First, in the drop-down Set Build Live on branch, we have to select the branch. I have only the default, so I'm selecting it. Then we click the Preview Change button, and on the new page, we enter an internal comment and click the Set Build Live Now. In the pop-up, we click OK, and then you may be prompted to enter another code. In my case, it has been sent to my mobile number. Once again, I click OK in the pop-up, and now I'm prompted to enter the information that will be visible to my players. First, I enter the patch notes title, and then I paste in previously prepared patch notes description. Then I click on the preview and post, and of course I do some minor adjustments because I see that the styling is off. When I'm happy, I click the Post as Small Update button. I wait for the success message, and yay! Let's check if everything is alright. I open Steam and I see that a new version of my game is being downloaded. I always like to play it for a couple of seconds to make sure I haven't missed anything important. All working great. Thank you so much for your trust and spending this couple of minutes with me. Have a fantastic day, love you and bye bye.